So, let's see if I can adjust this light. Today I have an unboxing. Dang it, this light is horrible. And actually it's a triple unboxing because I had gotten 3 boxes in the mail. I got my Walmart Beauty, I got a Stitch Fix, which is kind of hard to pick up, a Stitch Fix, and then I don't know if you guys do crafting and stuff, but I got a Close to My Heart box. And instead of doing separate videos for all of them, I thought, well, I'm going to go ahead and open them all at once and kind of, you know, have a little fun. So the first one I'm going to open up, I think I'm going to do the Close to My Heart. Now this, I ordered not just for myself, but I have a friend who had a stroke a couple years ago and she's in a nursing home. And it's pretty bad. The state became her guardian, essentially. They how would you put it? They appointed a guardian for her. She no longer has control of any of her stuff, and it's pretty horrific. Pretty much once a guardian takes control, you never get your life back. Even if, you know, you can be proven that you're okay, they're not going to let it go because they have all her money now. So even though, like, physical therapy released her, said she's doing really well. The nursing home that she's in said, you know, she's doing really well. She can live on her own. The guardian refuses. Says, oh, she's not well enough to live on her own. So I've been trying to buy little things for her that she can use to craft with and stuff so that, you know, she doesn't lose her freaking mind. And I just couldn't even imagine. And the thing is, at first it was like, why doesn't her family step in? What's going on? And then I read an expose about guardianships, and they literally will not let your family have anything to do with you. They will go to court and fight your family. So her family can't do anything about it. And she's just probably going to be left in that place for the rest of her life, which just kills me. So I got her this cute little book. She has a son who's 14, so I thought that with this stuff she can do a little album. I've got little cards and things and little, you know, pocket journaling, all kinds of stuff for her to just put together something really cute. And if she needs any help getting any photos done, I'll just have her send photos to me, you know, email them to me, and I'll just have them made for her. And then this, this is a kit to do a letter, and it's going to be the letter S for my granddaughter Saoirse, and then that can be put up in her room. So that was the stuff I got. I know it might not seem exciting, but the little journaling stuff that she's going to be able to use is really going to make her day, and it's going to keep her mind off of all this crap. I know, and she's sick right now. She came down with a tummy bug, and I just feel real bad for her. Okay, so here we're going to get to the bigger box, and this one is Stitch Fix. I really, really liked my first Stitch Fix. I kept everything, basically, from the box. Unlike the Wantable, which was kind of hit or miss for me. So we'll see if it's still a hit, you know. So let's open this little sucker. Of course, everything has to be kept with tape. Alrighty. So, as usual, there's the bag to send anything back that I don't want. Here is, what is this? So I think this is the invoice that tells me what I got and how much it is. We'll go through that later. And this says, oh, hello. Oh, okay, so this is the little book that tells you how you can style each item, which is fun. What is this? Oh. Did they send me jewelry? You know, I requested no jewelry. I make jewelry. I don't need jewelry. But it looks like they sent me jewelry. So let me open it up. And yeah, they sent me earrings. Those those are going back because I have earrings similar to this, and literally I can just cut out some metal and do it myself. Might take me longer with my hands being the way they are sometimes, but yeah, I kind of wish they listened when you say no jewelry, and that's kind of stupid. Well, I'll put that in later. Okay, so then rest of this stuff. Let's see what we got here. Okay, so here we have, oh, that's interesting. So this top, it looks like it's open in the front and has a little thing that goes across the bust. It's kind of cute. And this is really soft fabric. So I'm going to have to try that on. I might try some stuff on after I've done the rest of the unboxing and then let you guys see what I got. Oh, this is cute. Here's a little green cold shoulder top. You know, I know cold shoulder tops are really, really in, and they're okay, but I just kind of think, how many freaking cold shoulder tops do you need? I mean, I don't know. It's a lot of cold shoulder tops. It's like every fix or every wannable box has had cold shoulder in it. So now, this is some sort of sweat. Ooh, oh, oversized cardigan. Okay, this is right up my alley. Nice and warm. And then here, it looks like there's a pair of charcoal gray pants. Those look really cute. I think I could use those. Oh, and those would be really cute with the green top. So yeah, I'll go ahead and after we go through the rest of the stuff, I will do a try on so that you can see. But let me see. Those earrings were $28. The skinny pants are $78. The twist front keyhole top is $44. The Nanka cardigan is $50. And the Jenny cold shoulder top is $54. So if I get everything with the discount and the styling credit and stuff, it's only $170. So I think I might just send back the earrings if everything fits. I like everything else, so. Oh, you must purchase all items from your stylist picks to receive the 25% discount. So the discount's $63. The earrings are $28. Dang it. That means if I sent those back, I would actually lose money. I guess I might as well just keep them, and then they can be a gift for someone, or maybe even a giveaway on my channel. So we'll see what I do. Now I have one box left, and that is the Walmart box. So let me grab that. And get that open. Seriously? I just had those scissors in my hands. I swear I'm the only person who can just sit here, not move, and lose something. Where the heckin' doggo did it go? That's bad. Oh, alrighty. Now my last Walmart beauty box was like a real mess. It just didn't have anything in it that I considered to be special or interesting. So I gave everything away. I mean, it's only $5, so it's not that big a deal. I also send a box to my granddaughter, and so she filled out the profile, and she gets stuff that's a lot more fun than what I do. I guess they think once you're old that you don't want fun things, which is stupid. We do want fun things. Okay, so here's my box. And of course it says Celebrate Beauty, and that you can enter to win a $100 gift card. Not too shabby. This is funny. A razor. What's really funny is I don't actually shave, maybe once a year. A lot of the meds that I was on literally made me lose, like, I mean, and I didn't have a lot of hair to begin with, and so, I don't know. I'll let my husband use it, I guess, or maybe give it to one of my daughters. Okay, oh, here is Nighttime Therapy, Aches and Pains, Muscle Relief, Foaming Bath Oil and Body Wash. One is for muscle relief and one is for nighttime relief. So I guess that's okay. And here's a purifying and brightening peeling gel. Let's see what else we have. Deodorant. And it's a full-size deodorant too. But what's kind of funny is I don't normally wear deodorant either. I don't really sweat. I have, you know, another thing. The medication I'm on, the side effects are decreased sweating, which means I actually have to be really careful when it gets too hot because I don't sweat and then I don't release, you know, the excess heat from my body because I'm not sweating, and the doctor said that makes me more prone to heat stroke. So yeah, well, you know, my husband uses deodorant. And then I've got Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Lotion, a small little thing. This is something that I'll stick in my travel case. So when I'm traveling, I have something. And then the last is La Bella Super Shine Serum avocado plus avocado oil, and then Vitamin E Face and Body Oil with aloe. So I think I can use the one with the avocado, but the one with the aloe will have to go to one of my daughters or something because I have issues with aloe now. I kind of break out. So that was my Walmart box. So I guess I shall go ahead and then try on some of these clothes from my Stitch Fix, and we'll see if they're hits or misses. I mean, because they look pretty good, but that doesn't mean they actually are, right? Okay. Okay, hopefully you can see this. I have the top on. I really should have put the camera up higher. So here's the top, and the pants seem to be pretty nice. So that's definitely a plus. Now let's try the top on, and then lastly we'll try the. Okay, so this is the top. I think I need to adjust these little ties so that they're a little tighter on my arm. Let's see. And of course it's a bit wrinkly, so I need to, so I think it's kind of cute. I'll probably have to go look in the mirror to really tell if I like it or not. And it's green. I really, really love green, so there's that. This should be cute in the spring with a pair of shorts. Alright, so let me try on the cardigan. Actually, I think I'm going to just slip it over this. It's really soft. What does it say that it's made out of? Well, it says it's made in China. Hopefully it's made in China at a factory where they're paying them more than they're paying the people who are cranking out the stuff for Wish. So it says it's acrylic, polyester, nylon, and spandex. And it really feels, it feels like mohair almost. It doesn't feel like it's nylon and polyester at all. I mean, literally at all. So, oh, it's got pockets! Pockets! So it's just a nice, long, you know, big sweater, which I know they're not always the most flattering, but they're really comfortable. So this is definitely cute. So there you have it. Sit back down again. Oh, and it's a good thing I turned that light on. Let me put this down again. Because, yeah, not having the other big light on, I thought these two would be bright enough. And they're bright right on my face, but then everything else is just too dark. So I'm kind of pleased with everything I got. I really like it. I could see myself living in this sweater, seriously. I mean, it's so comfortable, it's disgusting. I have one similar color that I got at Target, but it's not as soft as this. This is really soft. I'm going to wear it Monday when I have to go to, practice, opera rehearsal. So you guys, let me know what you thought about my Stitch Fix and my beauty box and the adorable stuff that I got from close to my heart. I mean, I can't wait to make this. And give me a like, leave me a comment. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. And there's also this little bell notification thing. You click on that bell and then it will notify you when I have new videos, which right now I'm trying to do at least 3 a week. And I think this week that I did this, I have more. I mean, literally every day I have a video. And then don't forget, on Saturdays, if you want, essentially the Dobby show, you want to see Dobby, every Saturday will be a cat video, and most likely featuring Dobby, because, you know, he won't be let out of anything. I think he's a narcissist. He's a cat narcissist. And cats are already narcissistic, but he's more. So if you want to see, you know, me on other media, find me on Instagram, Twitter, Tumblr, Facebook, Snapchat. I'm on Snapchat too. I don't post that often, but just put in PELDYN and you will find me everywhere because, you know, that's what I am. I'm Peldon. And if you want to know where I got the name, it is Welsh, and it was for my character when I did the SCA and Renaissance fairs for over 20 years, and I was Peldon Ferret Howell. So you guys take care. Bye-bye.